I think for all students, my words of encouragement are these. Follow your dreams, follow your heart, listen to your lecturers, take their cues and go out there and create.
In a time of rapid technological change and growing challenges for journalism, GCIT welcomed Professor Lisa Waller, Associate Dean of Communication, School of Media and Communication, RMIT University. In her lecture, Resourcing, Technology and Audiences, Professor Waller shared industry-led insights from the Australian news sector. She explored how shrinking resources, AI, and changing audience behavior are reshaping journalism. She emphasized that strong journalism starts with listening to both the industry and the public, and that while AI may handle routine tasks, human judgment, trust, and storytelling remain essential. Beyond the lecture, Professor Waller engaged closely with GCIT students, learning about their academic paths, practical projects, and cross-disciplinary experiences. GCIT student Zona shared her learning experience in GCIT. Her diverse experiences across learning, research, and practice especially impressed Professor Waller. She praised GCIT's creativity, global outlook, and commitment to meaningful communication. This visit was more than a lecture. It was a moment of connection.